Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the mypodcast system. It's a free podcasting system that allows you to post media on your projects on the website for free. First thing is, we created an account for your class called Media Lit, or MEDLIT. Media Lit. It's MEDIALIT. Password is just English. Okay, and then we just click Login on the My Podcast site. I'm not going to remember that password on my computer. And we're logging in. Okay. And because the account has already been created, we are going to go ahead and create a new episode. There's a link right here, or you can just scroll down where it says new episode. We're not using the My Podcast recorder because you guys have already created a podcast in GarageBand. So we're going to choose continue to choose this option. It's just a web form. Then you scroll down the page and you go to choose a file. Okay, and we'll show you how to do this part beforehand. But what you're going to do is you're going to grab your podcast. And what I did is I went into GarageBand and I shared it as what's called an MP3. It's a file format that most most players read. So I select that, I hit choose, then I go ahead and upload. You can see it's initializing, and this is just a very simple, quick little file that I created. Okay, so that's uploaded, and by checking this, I specify that I'm allowing people to use this. All right, I'm just going to put test 2 on there. You can call your podcast whatever you like. We'll skip that. You can do a little description. I'm just going to put in some junk there. I would assume that your teacher will want you to put in stuff there. You could put in a keyword if you like. It's clean material, at least we hope so. And then allow comments on the episode. I think for this we're going to put no. That's up to your teacher, I guess. Edit publish time. You can set the publish time for however long you like. You can choose to have a picture on there associated with it. I will just randomly choose a picture out of my pictures folder. Your teacher may decide to have you choose something that fits your podcast. And then it's just as simple as publishing your episode. Okay. And the episode is published. Now if I go to show list, you'll see that I have my podcast posted there. If I hit view, it's going to show my podcast in the site. You'll notice that the link is right up here. It includes sort of your site that I created called ehsmedialit.mypodcast. That link can be used anywhere, any place. We can work with your teacher to post that on the website so you can go to it, and anyone in the world can see it and read it. Okay? And then just to play the podcast, there's a little button right here that says, okay.
This podcast
and
part of the mypodcast.com.
There really isn't much to it.
Right now, get your very own 100% free podcast. mypodcast.com.
This is just a little preview that you hear, and then you'll hear your own. And as you can tell, it's a very exciting podcast that I made here. And that's really all there is to it, folks. Thanks. Bye.